Hey guys, so you guys asked on my Instagram for me to post a video on how I made my realistic milk. So this is what you saw on Instagram. Well, it's not actually, because as you can see here, I have cornstarch and this is the milk, but guess what? It's not actually like that. This is what it settles to, so I just wanted to show you guys that, but it only takes a second to shake it up, and then you have some at the bottom, but it actually looks kind of realistic that way because like it starts coming up. Oh, sorry guys. It starts coming off. Like, I don't even know how to describe it, but that just looks really realistic to me. So it's really like milky and it just looks a lot like milk. And so, like it says in the title, this is a temporary form of milk. So I would not leave this sit like for months. If you're doing like a roleplay video or something and you can like dump it out right after, then this is a really good way to go in my opinion, because it's really realistic looking. So yeah, so you guys did request this on my Instagram. I put a poll up and like 97% of you guys said yes, you'd like to see it. So I have this bottle here that I'm using today. I won it in a giveaway, so I still haven't sealed it, but that's okay because I'll use it for feeding. But literally this is, like I said in the title, one ingredient, so this is really easy to use, just temporary, and if you don't mind shaking it up, then it's not a big deal. So I got this much water. Mostly I only got that little because I didn't want to feed my baby lad that much, because I'm going to use this in a feeding, kill two birds with one stone. But usually I'd fill it up pretty much all the way, but it doesn't. Okay, basically for the recipe, put as much water in there as you want, or as much cornstarch. It really doesn't matter which way you do it, and then just put as much of each ingredient in there for the consistency that you want. So I'm going to try 3 scoops, and when I was making this recipe the first time, I actually didn't even use a spoon. I just dumped it in here and I got it all over the sink, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's not quite good enough for me. It's still a little bit too clear for me, so I'm going to put some more cornstarch in there. And it's not a big deal. Like I said, like, you don't want to leave this in here too long because I don't know if it will mold. Like, I have no idea. I don't think it would. If it's just cornstarch and water, it shouldn't mold, but I have no idea, so I wouldn't leave it in there too long. But for a temporary vid or something, like temporary video or something, you're just making the video, it's actually a really, really nice milk. Sorry, it's not focusing. There. Okay, so there's just some cornstarch on the outside, you can see, but there it is. You could even add a little bit more. I could add a little bit more to make it even a little bit more milky, but it's actually pretty good right now. So that's a pretty easy way to make fake formula for like role-playing videos, like with reborns or something. This one is already sealed. This bottle is sealed. You can see I have silicone up there, so I can use this. I'm gonna take this to the Rose Doll show, which is next week, and I'm just gonna carry it around probably. I'm not gonna actually use it that much, but yeah, I'm gonna use this in a Baby Alive video. Wherever you're here from, thank you for watching. If you're a first-time viewer, cool. Subscribe. What's up? How are you? I don't like to make videos very long because I hate watching long videos and making them, so I hope that this was helpful to you if you just randomly searched up a recipe. Here's a 1 recipe temporary fake milk recipes. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave some requests in the comments, not for Baby Alive skits please, because if you're a Baby Alive fan, then you know what's going on right now, so please don't leave skit requests for that, but you can leave requests of any tutorials you want. And I'm not a crafty person, but I might be able to do them. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!